Bitcoin Explained. Everything you need to know. Ever wondered what Bitcoin is and why it's making waves in the financial world? Hi, I'm Kathy from Aspire to Empower. And today we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery surrounding this revolutionary digital currency, exploring its origins, inner workings, and potential impact on the future of finance.
Our journey begins in 2008 with the publication of a groundbreaking white paper titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. This revolutionary document, authored by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, laid the foundation for Bitcoin as we know it. To this day, the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains a mystery. Some speculate it was the work of a brilliant individual, while others believe it was a collaborative effort by a group of cryptography enthusiasts. Bitcoin emerged during a time of significant financial turmoil, with the 2008 global financial crisis fresh in everyone's minds. People were looking for alternative systems, and Bitcoin, with its promise of decentralization and transparency, offered a glimmer of hope.
At the heart of Bitcoin lies blockchain technology, a revolutionary system that enables secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries like banks. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across a vast network of computers, all working together to verify and record transactions. This distributed nature makes blockchain incredibly secure. Each transaction is cryptographically protected and linked to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain. Altering any part of this chain would require immense computational power, making it virtually impossible for malicious actors to tamper with the system. Bitcoin, as the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, serves as a shining example of blockchain's transformative power.
One of Bitcoin's most compelling features is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, Bitcoin operates on a global network of computers, free from the control of any single entity. This means no government or financial institution can manipulate Bitcoin's supply or censor transactions. Decentralization also promotes transparency. All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the public blockchain, making it possible to trace the history of every Bitcoin back to its origin. In a world where trust in institutions is often questioned, Bitcoin's decentralized nature offers a refreshing alternative.
Bitcoin's limited supply is one of its defining features and a key driver of its value. Unlike traditional fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly by governments, Bitcoin has a fixed cap of 21 million coins. This scarcity is similar to that of precious metals like gold, which have historically held their value over time. Furthermore, Bitcoin's supply is released gradually over time through a process called mining. This controlled and predictable issuance schedule helps to maintain scarcity and prevents inflation. The combination of a limited supply, a decentralized network, and growing demand has contributed to Bitcoin's meteoric rise in value. Bitcoin's price volatility is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it presents significant opportunities for investors to reap substantial returns. On the other hand, it also carries inherent risks, as rapid price swings can lead to significant losses. Several factors contribute to Bitcoin's volatility, including its relatively small market size and its decentralized nature. When demand surges, the price can skyrocket. Conversely, negative news or a decrease in demand can lead to sharp price corrections. While Bitcoin's volatility can be daunting for some investors, it's essential to remember that volatility is an inherent part of any emerging asset class.
Bitcoin's security is rooted in the underlying blockchain technology. Transactions are secured using cryptography, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit or double-spend Bitcoins. However, while Bitcoin itself is incredibly secure, it's crucial to take precautions to protect your Bitcoins from theft or loss. This is where digital wallets come in. A digital wallet is essentially a software program that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoins securely. Hardware wallets, for example, store your private keys offline on a physical device, providing an extra layer of security against hacking attempts. Remember, you are responsible for safeguarding your bitcoins. If you lose your private keys, you lose access to your bitcoins. Bitcoin mining is often compared to a digital gold rush, and for a good reason. It's the process by which new bitcoins are created and transactions are verified on the blockchain. Think of Bitcoin miners as the decentralized workforce that keeps the Bitcoin network running smoothly. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and the first miner to solve the problem gets to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly minted bitcoins and transaction fees. This incentive mechanism ensures that there's always a financial incentive for miners to secure the network.
In the early days, Bitcoin was primarily the domain of tech enthusiasts and early adopters. However, over the years, it has gained increasing acceptance as a form of payment by merchants and businesses worldwide. Today, you can use Bitcoin to purchase a wide range of goods and services, both online and in physical stores. Major companies like Microsoft, Expedia, and Overstock accept Bitcoin as payment, and the list is constantly growing. Moreover, Bitcoin has emerged as a viable option for remittances, allowing individuals to send money across borders quickly and cheaply. As Bitcoin's adoption continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge.
So, there you have it, a deep dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. From its mysterious origins to its potential to reshape the financial landscape, Bitcoin is a force to be reckoned with. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, Aspire to Empower, for more insightful content. See you next time.